So there we are again. Yes, well, for me it's the same day, same moment. So sorry guys, I said it last time. Well, this video is just taking too long and I want to do this because I like showing you what I have and sharing with you, and maybe you guys give me some feedback and new knowledge. So I'm gonna get my brush. Hope the sound that you hear me, otherwise I've wasted at least one video and I'm gonna waste the second video now. Got the second box here. I'm gonna try to do it a little bit quicker this time, but let's open it up and see what's inside. It was on top, but okay. Well, first car we have is the 348 Spider, and this model is also a little bit not very special, a little bit simple. This is the Mira brand, but I kind of like it. That's something that most doesn't have. You can open the headlights, but yeah, well, next to that there's not much more you can do. So clean model, looks very good. I'm gonna put this one below here. Then we have another 348, but this time the GTS. Yeah, doesn't even say it. Same brand, Mira. A little bit modified by me because I once decided to paint the wheels. But yeah, okay. That happens when you are a kid, and I kind of like it. Some people hate it, but I like it. So put that one there, and we got a 612. Yes, the big lumpy 612. And we're gonna put a little horsey in the painting. Did you ever look at Bob Ross? I did as a kid because it relaxed me. I hate and I love the 612. Sometimes I love the design, sometimes I hate it. But then again, it's a Ferrari. It says enough. And you can take your kids with you. So I'm gonna close this one because this one is filled. Open up the box. And let's have a look at what we have here. Well, we're gonna start. Here I am with some Lego. And I know I got a lot of more Lego Ferrari stuff, but that's all still in the attic. We're gonna get that one day. So I'm thinking of placing this one here. These are all from the Shell series. And somehow I only have 4 of them. What do we have? A very, very beautiful Ferrari F50, a black one. I think this one can go here. Because I also have an 465. Yes, I am crazy. I know. One of the most beautiful Ferraris ever, the 355 GTS. I say that with every Ferrari, I told you last video, but I mean it. Yeah, I mean it. Because simply it is true. So, I'm gonna close that one, open that one. So, I hope you all had a good week. For me it was a short week, I think 15 minutes, but okay. We got the very special 575 Maranello Seas Miss California, and we got the 550 Maranello. I'm gonna put this one there because I got 2 other ones I know somewhere. But before we go to that one, I have another special model that I really like, but it's also really dirty, and that's the FXX. Absolutely adore this color. Amazing car. And I think the people lucky enough to be able to drive a thing like this, well, I'm so fucking jealous. It's beautiful. Oh, and it's broken, but we're gonna fix that later on. Then we got a little 348 challenge, a small one from Herpa. Here you have it. Oh, where? Oh, yes. It's too little. Did you see that? Where are we going to put this one? I think she will suit near the. And you got some 1 to 43. I really love the F40 LM, especially in this design. Well, it's just an amazing piece of history, and sadly I only own the scale model. Do you remember this one? The 599 World Tour, the Pan America. The Ferrari used this car to drive the Pan America road in a 599. I think after the review I did on the 599, I know this car can handle it. What do we have here? Also another very special model, the 333P something P1. Well, I really like what you can do with this model. I'm gonna put this one right here. See, even though we cannot do anything with real Ferraris at this moment, we still have a lot of things to do. Well, there's Miss California. And I know some people hate California, but I really like the styling. And to be honest, I would love to have one. And maybe it might be even realistic because the prices are going the good way. So who knows? The best thing, Ferrari F40, you all know how special that is. And another Ferrari Enzo. Yes. So I have to speed it up. What do we have under the blanket? Number 1, we have the yes, I confess, the 575 Super America with the rooftop. I've seen one a year ago at the gallery in Bremen, and I like all Ferraris, but I really love the Super America. Just almost as perfect as the SA Aperta. No, there's this one with that series, because we also have here another classic, and that is the Barchetta, the 550 Barchetta. And again, all models are very dirty. So if you know a good way to clean them without damaging them, please let me know, because they really need a cleanup. So what do we have here? Here we go again. Another favorite, the F12 Berlinetta. And you cannot hear it, but it's very quiet outside, because there's no one there. We're in the lockdown, so nobody is allowed to go out at this time. Another California, well, I like it with the roof down, and also the windows are broken. But, well, I'm gonna put it like this for now. Put it on later. Ooh, it's getting better and better and better and better. And this, my friends, is another of my favorite Ferraris, yes. But again, 1996, I was 16 years old, and this and the F50 were both on top of my list. And I really think this car is so... I just saw one driving today, and when I see a 355 any Ferrari, then my heart starts boom, 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 boom. Wow. Need I say more? And I need some new models, because there are some very special cars, like the Speciale, that I haven't got, but I really need to complete this collection with these cars, I think. This is not the best model, but gives you a good impression, just like this one. The Scuderia in the Rosso Fiorano. Well, I don't know, but it's another fantastic looking car. But where are we? I'll do it differently. Maybe this one like this, and this one like this, and it doesn't fit because it's too big. Yeah. So many cars. So, and we got the standard 430, but with some very strange rims, because I don't believe that the real live model has such a low profile. But okay, I can live with that. It's just a scale model. So, the last few cars. We got a Ferrari 360, yes, a manual, just the way that most people want them. And well, I would love to have just a Formula 1 style gearbox and put the Challenge Stradale ECU on it, and then I think that I can live with that 360. So, well, the best for last. I'm gonna... We got the Ferrari Enzo again. Most of these models are just the Duraro Elite, or how do you call it? Yeah, of the Hot Wheels Elite. It's not like I like to spend a lot of money, I said it before. Just, and look at this, because yeah. And last but not least, a modified Ferrari F40. Yes, this is the simple Burago version. Yes. But I painted some parts of this Ferrari, simply because when I was a kid, I liked, well, it doesn't open anymore, but just to have it a little bit more realistic. Can you see it? Oh, like this. So I changed some parts, and I'm still missing a lot of models. I don't know, I got another box, maybe it's because of that. I'm just gonna quickly, oh! This is, oh, there you are. And this is the remote control and the batteries are dead. Sadly, but okay. We got one more box left. And also, special box, we got real Ferrari content. This is my fuel sender unit. And when I got the car, this part didn't work. So I replaced it. It was the first thing I did. This is the broken pipe. The old hubcaps. Yes, I know. And the old fuse box. And I saved this one because I really don't like to throw it away. But I replaced this one with the Birdman. Do you know it? Yes. Birdman fuel box. And also the first real damage on my car. And to finish it off, here are some prizes I got with karting. And well, that's just fun. I like to do it. So again, I'm gonna put you back. So I wasted 2 of your weeks. Well, I wasted a few hours, but that's okay. On Monday, and for you, by the time you're watching this video, it was 2 weeks ago, they're gonna put the painting on the wall. It's lying right there. In April somewhere, the garage door is there, and hopefully next week or the week after that, I can visit my car again and give you some real content. So for now, again, thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't bring you the content maybe you want, but yeah, well, this is me, this is my life, this is my hobby. Join me on this adventure, and thank you for watching. Goodbye, and please like, subscribe. Bye bye bye.